Hello everyone, welcome back. Just wanted to do a quick little video of my Alakazam rose that I got from For Love of Roses. So this one took a long time to get to me. It was on back order for God knows how long, and very satisfied with it. It is really pretty. So this one is actually like a variation. It's kind of like the same exact rose as Simsalabim. It probably pretty much is. It's just been listed under a different name. So that's pretty much what's happened there, but very beautiful rose nonetheless. See the stripage, really pretty. Yeah, we'll have to say this is one of my favorite roses. This one and Abracadabra, really nice. So instead of a yellow rose with red stripes, Abracadabra has a red rose with yellow stripes. Very pretty. Relatively small plant that they give you. It's like it's no bigger than a pencil, pretty much. So if you go buy it, that's what you're gonna get. You're not gonna get any big stalks or anything like that. It's just a plant, very small. It's doing pretty well. These are all new growths. This is the only one to flower. It flowered, I'd say, probably a couple weeks after I got it, so very nice. These ones don't seem to have any buds forming, maybe soon. So fingers crossed. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys the rose. Hope you all enjoyed it. See if we can get a little closer in there. Nice. Really pretty. Alright. Well, anyways, guys, that's the Alakazam rose. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be making more videos here soon. So please make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and I'll be sure to contact you back as soon as possible. And that's it for now. Happy growing. Have a good one.